All right, personality types. There are a gazillion and one different personality tests in the universe and mood rings and all sorts of craziness. Everything from the Myers-Briggs profiles to what color is your parachute to the GEM system to the FBI system to there's multiple systems that kind of categorize people into particular categories. And I use this one because one of my other mentors teaches this one as well. And it's one of the ones that people kind of adhere, they kind of stick to it a little deeper than all the other ones I've seen out there thus far, right? Tony Robbins uses it, there's a bunch of other people that use the exact same structure. And there are 4 major personality types represented by these 4 different gems. And what I'll do is I'll actually break this up into 5 separate videos, including this one. And I'm going to break it down. I'm actually going to read through what these things are. And so the next couple of videos will just be me reading stuff, so I'm not going to turn the camera on, but I'm just going to read through what these descriptions are. And the first thing you want to do is you want to find out which one are you, right? Or which ones are you. Everyone's got like a major gem type and a minor gem type. Now, all of us are all 4 of these things, right? There's no person who's 0% anything, right? These bits and pieces appeal to 100% of our being, but allocating wise, the way you think, the way you act, the way you feel, it's always gonna lean towards one particular type of these personality types, so one particular type of these gems. And it's important to be able to identify which one of these gems you are, because that's the language by which you will speak. Okay, because emeralds speak emerald, rubies speak rubies. So if you try to speak emerald to a ruby, they're going to ignore you, right? Because that's not the same language pattern, that's not the same stuff, that's not the same drive that makes them interested in what you have to say, right? And so in the sales world here, you're going to need to know these different personality types because you need to speak that personality type's language. If you speak pearl to a pearl, they listen to you more. They're more apt to buy things from you if there's a fit, right? And that's how come we're putting this in these sessions. It's important to learn at least the basic personality types. And I mean, if you want to go, deep dive into this at a later date, go for it. I mean, there's oodles of books and courses and just everything on these things all over the place. If you want to go deeper, definitely go deeper. I've studied a lot of these different personality testing tools and all that kind of stuff. And it makes it easier if you can speak that person's language type when you're trying to help them through that buying process. And it makes a big difference if you can do that. So anyway, we're going to cut to the next video here. I'm going to talk about pearls, emeralds, rubies, and sapphires in a separate video each. What I want you to do is listen to each of these things, really concentrate, and figure out which one you believe that you are. And that's what your default message is going to be. You're always going to speak your own native gem type because that's how you like to be communicated to. So you're going to learn your pitches and everything else in your own gem type first because it's the easiest one to learn it in. But then you're gonna twist it and augment it so that it makes sense for all the other gem types as well. All right, thanks for watching.